your ass in a hex. Bitch, I got big stack, big flex. Baby, call my phone, tryna blow her text check. Call me a nigga cause I like a sex. But don't be mad when you going through my text. Ay, ay. Tell her shorty come here, I'm tryna blow her back out. Walking funny for the year. Tell me that you want me, that's the shit I always hear. I got 3 bitches on me like the 3 musketeers. Ay, ay. Tell her shorty come here, I'm tryna blow her back out. Walking funny for the year. Tell me that you want me, that's the shit I always hear. I got 3 bitches on me like the 3 musketeers. Bitch, shake that ass or kick rocks.
Hi guys, today we're gonna play Dungeon Dogs. It's a game where you get dogs. But I think I got so much dogs that I can't even fit in my pond. You gotta get to level 20 to do something, but I don't know what to do what, so I don't know, so I decided to do something, but okay. I never played this in a long time after I did all so much videos. I'm very sorry guys. But I really want to show you this. No, oh, I can get a new puppy. I'm gonna get this. Just go. I never got this one before. Wait a second. I can buy this one. It's so common and I got one Leah. I'm gonna get this. Nope. That's all I can buy. I can buy another box. And I got Rex again. Oh, I can't believe I already have him. Absolutely Majestical. I can't believe I have 3 Majesticals. And guess what it is? It's 3 Majesticals. And I'm going to pull you out of this Addy. Nope, no. Okay, and I might do a battle on 1 Majestical. Oh yeah, I forgot. We can shake them to get money. And I forgot all about this because I never played it. Okay, that's enough. I kind of changed their name a little because I had 2 of the same, but I had to change 3. Come on. I love money. Oh yeah, I can't pick up the king. Oh yeah, and I called him Toby. Oops, I guess I'm gonna get my coins before I do the battle. Thanks, my coins stay here and I need a W. Okay, now Poppy. Okay, I don't think I can do it anymore because that's all my daily awards. Cool. So, oh yeah, this is I forgot. Kenny is a Majestical. Leah is Majestical, and the one that I just got is Majestical. Man, you look like a boy. I don't even know if it's a boy or girl, and I actually look like a boy, so I call it a boy. I'm fighting help. Yeah. What do you do? That's my first fire pet. Help me. Okay, then we press this again. Thank you. Bye. Now let's... So much. Now I can get another pet. No. That was just an upgrade. Wow. Aww. I can't upgrade nothing. What? Why you want me to upgrade? So I'll get this. No. This. No. This. No. Of course not. Then why? Why? No, bye. What do you want me to do? I'm so sorry, Noah. Okay, let me take you back. Oh yeah, I forgot. Gonna play some mini games. I don't need that for mini games. Okay, we can play. I'm not really game. Oh, that's so much. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's my first try. Okay. Alright. That took like forever. No, I'm not doing that again. That was hard. You can get money faster, but I don't want that game. So, guys, I'm going to see you next time. Bye!